As we already know that Samsung phones are seriously packed with features, like they're practically mini computers in your pocket. The tricky part is that a lot of people don't even know about 90% of what these devices can do. Sure, we all know we can toss some basic widgets on our home screen, but have you ever dug deeper? For instance, did you know you can create a nifty little folder right on your lock screen? Imagine this: you tap on a tiny icon and boom. You've got quick access to all your favorite apps without even having to unlock your phone. All it takes is the Lock Star module in the Good Lock app. Once you've got that installed, just dive into the Makeup section, find the Lock Star module, and enable it. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the bottom left corner to access the Type section. From there, you can add up to 6 different apps, perfect for those must-have apps you want at your fingertips. It's super simple to set up, and when you go back to your lock screen, voila, your favorite apps are all lined up, ready to go. But wait, there's more. While you're in the Lock Star module, just tap on any blank space, and you'll see an option to add a widget. This is where things get fun. Every app on your phone that supports widgets will pop up, and you can pick and choose what you want to add. Plus, you can customize the size and arrangement to suit your style. Easy peasy, right? Now let's talk about giving your lock screen a little personality. Did you know you can load custom fonts for your lock screen clock? It's a fun way to make your phone feel uniquely yours. Just long press on your lock screen, use your fingerprint to unlock it, and tap the clock. Swipe through the preset fonts, and when you see that 3-dot icon, tap it. You'll see any custom fonts you've already downloaded. If you want to explore new ones, hit Download Fonts, and it'll take you to the Galaxy Store where you can browse to your heart's content. Suddenly, your lock screen clock will have a fresh, stylish look. And before we wrap up, let's not forget about a super cool hidden trick, the live weather effect. This feature adds a bit of flair to your lock screen that's honestly a showstopper. To get this going, long press on your home screen, tap Wallpapers and Style, then Change Wallpapers. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the Photo Ambient option. Pick a wallpaper you love, tap the play icon, and see how it brings your screen to life. Just keep in mind, it's mainly for rainy or snowy weather, but when the conditions are right, it's pretty mesmerizing. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe and share with your fellow Samsung-loving friends. Can't wait to catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.